Hello, you guys. This is Mackenzie, and today I'm going to be making funny noises. Like, so those are the first songs. So yeah, I've been practicing with Miranda Sings a little bit. You guys know I'm famous and I live with Miranda. She's my neighbor. Well, I don't live with her, but she's my neighbor. And we are really fancy. Y'all see, we afforded this. It was $1 million. We both bought it. Because, you know, we're like, pussies. But I don't know how to make a noise, but okay, let's go. So, let's go. So, first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to be making a ducky noise. Oh yeah, baby. Now let's make that chicken noise. Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now let's make that gorilla noise.